Move emails into specific folder using keyboard shortcut in Outlook 2010. I am looking for a way to move emails in Outlook to a specific folder. For example, Windows+M will automatically move highlighted messages into a folder without any pop-ups or anything. I know I would be able to figure this out with autohotkey. Does anyone have a way to do this in Outlook with macros or something? Or a clean way of doing it with AHK?
To move an item in Outlook 2010, you should use Ctrl+Shift+V. For a comprehensive reference of shortcut keys in Outlook 2010, take a look at following link. This URL.
One way to achieve this is via Outlook Quick Steps. In the Home tab of the ribbon of the main Outlook window, click the Manage Quick Steps button in the Quick Steps group. Add a new Move to Folder quick step. Choose a useful name, check the box for Move to Folder and select the desired destination folder, and optionally check Mark as Read if you always want messages marked as read when moved. Click Options. In the Edit Quick Step dialog that appears, in the shortcut key drop-down at the bottom, choose one of the Ctrl+Shift+Number key combinations to associate with the quick step. Click Save and OK. Now, pressing the shortcut key you selected should move both selected messages in a mailbox folder view and a currently open message to the selected folder.
In Outlook 2010 you can use Quick Steps to do this. On the Home tab, click Create New in the Quick Step window. Then name your step, choose Move to Folder action, then choose the folder to move it to. At the bottom of the window you can assign a shortcut key. Choose Finish. Your new step is now available in the Quick Steps window or using the shortcut key.
In Outlook from Office 365 Suite, here goes an awk snippet that implements the keyboard shortcut from the documentation page. From the documentation, to move an item to a folder, one needs to press Alt+H+M+V and select a folder from the list.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.